Designed with a youthful, energetic vibe, Modern is sleek, lightweight, and easy to love. Hey there, it's Darna. Today we're super excited to show you the all-new Modern Series, your perfect everyday laptop for students, fresh grads, busy professionals, and anyone who loves the entertainment on the go. Ready to meet Modern? Let's jump in. The new look is all smooth, fluid lines with a sleek aluminum alloy body. So Modern feels more premium, polished, and super stylish. Modern is available in two colors, platinum gray and urban silver, and comes in both 16-inch and 14-inch sizes. Lightweight and travel-friendly, made to keep up with your on-the-go days. Before turning on the laptop, just to remind, connect to the adapter first to disable the factory shipping mode, which prevents the power being turned on accidentally during transportation. The I/O ports come with HDMI, two USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with DisplayPort and PD charging, audio combo jack, Gigabit Ethernet, two USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-A, and micro SD card reader. Modern just leveled up. A 16:10 display for extra viewing space, wrapped in super sleek 90% screen-to-body design. Modern gives you a few screen options to choose from. If you want something more premium, go for the OLED display. The OLED panel delivers richer colors and higher contrast for a truly immersive visual experience. Another display option comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, so everything looks super smooth and feels extra snappy. On top of that, both come with low blue light and flicker-free protection to help reduce eye strain during long working sessions. In addition, Modern keeps your online world cozy and secure. Want more privacy? Slide the webcam shutter. Done. Say hi to quicker, safer Windows Hello logins. Modern comes with an IR webcam, and it's ready for things like FIDO2 web authentication too. You can set the facial recognition in sign-in options and set your PIN code first. Then choose facial recognition. Click Set Up to start the process. Now you can log in with your face. Easy peasy. This time, MSI made the touchpad bigger, so you've got more room to swipe and glide. Plus, it now comes with a brand new Action Touchpad. By swiping along different edges of the Action Touchpad, you can adjust various functions such as volume, screen brightness, fast-forward rewind videos, and navigate back and forth between web pages. In addition, double-tapping the upper left corner brings up the calculator, while double-tapping the upper right corner launches MSI Center S. Here, besides viewing diagrams of the different functions, you can also customize 3 functions exclusively for yourself. For a deeper dive, please visit the Action Touchpad section to learn more. Modern features a smudge-resistant keyboard with an anti-fingerprint finish, so it stays looking clean and fresh even after a full day of typing. And Modern 16 even adds a numeric keypad to make everyday office work extra easy. MSI also provides dedicated hotkeys on keyboard. F1 to F12 to launch quick functions, or press Function plus Escape key to switch traditional F1 to F12 behavior. Pressing F7 lets you quickly switch performance modes. The F12 flip and share key rotates the screen 180 degrees, making it easier to share your screen with colleagues or classmates. MSI Center S is your laptop's handy control hub, and this year it comes with a fresh, fully redesigned look. In user scenario, you can adjust the system's performance setting to suit different situations. Eco Silent delivers a quiet, power-saving experience for everyday use. Balance mode provides the best balance between performance and battery life. When you need more power, click Performance to boost performance while keeping fan noise low. And this year, MSI adds Performance Boost to push even further for demanding scenarios. In particular, MSI's exclusive AI engine can automatically switch to the most suitable performance mode based on the apps you're using and the current scenario, helping you stay more focused on your work. For more information, please go to MSI AI Engine tutorial to learn more. In the Function tile, you can quickly find MSI Center S features and add shortcuts you want. For Modern, paired with the OLED display, you can find OLED Care to protect your screen and prolong the display lifetime. Just press Start to run a colorful video for 30 seconds to refresh each pixel of the display. You can also enable Pixel Shift. Displayed pixel will move slightly after a certain amount of the time to avoid constantly showing static images. In the AI zone, you'll find a collection of AI-powered features that help you work smarter. AI Lane Manager automatically sorts out bandwidth for your apps, helping you use your network more efficiently. Just click Priority and set Auto Priority to finish. Studio effects make video meetings even more convenient. Just click Windows Setting and find Cameras. In addition to blurring the background, it can keep you centered in the frame, even if you move around. In addition, in general settings, the Smart Dust Cleaning helps maintain optimal system performance by periodically reversing the fan to expel dust and particles. And the Modern Series with AI Plus model lets you enjoy exclusive Copilot PC experiences like Co-Creator, Live Captions, and Recall, ready for you to explore. After watching this video, we hope you now have a deeper understanding of the Modern Series. We're glad you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time!